Okay, in continuation with our previous lecture of electrophilic substitution reaction in case of imidazole and pyrazole, now we'll see for whether imidazole and pyrazole undergoes nucleophilic substitution or no. So it undergoes both of them. They undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions via addition elimination reactions. Reactivity reactive towards good nucleophiles provided living group is situated at appropriate carbon atom. So regioselectivity. Okay, so the reduced selectivity, substitution of living groups like the group which are good living groups, chlorine, bromine, NO2 at electron deficient centers possible. Okay, so electron distribution, pyrazole C2, imidazole at C second position, nucleophilic substitution is easy in case of imidazole. So nucleophilic substitution occurs at second position in case of imidazole. We'll see in case of pyrazole, they have shown, or it's writing over here. It's difficult at C3 and C5 positions. We'll see in next whether that one is really difficult or no. Okay, so here they have written pyrazole center C5, C3, neither center were very reactive. So it's difficult to do nuclear substitution at C3 and C5 position. C4 position is not possible because C4 position is susceptible for electrophilic substitution reaction. So we'll see nuclear substitution in imidazole, second position is susceptible. So here displaced substitution of bromine, CBr with this piperidine, so we can get such type of nucleophilic substitution reaction. So electron withdrawing substituents enhances reactivity towards nucleophiles. That this is quite normal. Imidazole and pyrazole metallation reactions. Imidazole NHPK 14.5. Okay, pyrazole PK 14.2. Okay, almost the NH acidity is almost similar in case of imidazole and pyrazole, but acidity is more in case of pyrazole. NH is more acidic than imidazole NH. Deprodation by strong bases more facile than for pyrrole, okay, or indole. So NH, imidazole, pyrazole, and metallation reaction by treatment with sodium hydroxides, we are going to form sodium salt, and here sodium bicarbonate microwave heating, again we are going to form sodium salt with pyrazole as well as imidazole. And once we got metallation, so N alkylation is easy here, so we can get N alkylated imidazole, N alkylated pyrazole. So over here NR imidazoles, okay, NR N-alkylated imidazoles and pyrazoles and metallation of those things, okay. So and already now hydrogen is not there on nitrogen, and methyl is there. So on treatment with strong gas base lithium diisopropylamine, so we its Li is electrophile. So in case of lithium diisopropylamine. So here they have shown C metallation. Okay, metallation occurs at carbon atoms. Here it occurs at the C second position, and metallation occurs in pyrazole at C fifth position. Okay, then substitution of this C carbon lithium bond by electrophile, it's easy. That's why carbon metallation, these things, carbon lithiation reactions are very important in cycles. So we can replace this lithium very easily with any electrophile at that particular position. Okay, so these are the seen regarding the metallation of the imidazole and pyrazole. One more thing remaining in case of pyrazole and imidazole is acidity of pyrazole and imidazole. So diazoles, pyrazole, imidazoles, we can call them diazoles. PK 14.5 imidazole and pyrrole 16.5. We know that imidazole is more basic than pyrazole. Imidazole is more basic than pyridine, but more acidic than pyrrole. Okay, so pay attention. You have to compare everything always in between these things, whether which is more acidic, which one is more basic. So pay attention on this one. For if objective types of question papers should be there, then you should be more careful about these things. So imidazole plus H plus. So pyridine like proton, pyridine like nitrogen, which has lone pair. It reacts with, it abstracts the proton, and it's showing the N protonated N protonation of the imidazole. Here also, here first two charge is missing over here. Now elimination of proton from the imidazole, so we can generate the anion in case of imidazole. So very stable cation and anion imidazole can form. Okay, acidity of imidazole. Imidazole has a weak acidic NH group and strong basic nitrogen. So both it has both properties. So it's amphoteric. The deprotonated imidazole anion can be stabilized by resonance. The protonated form has identical canonical forms. Okay, these are the identical canonical forms. Okay, it's protonated canonical forms. Acid base properties. So as we know that in pyrazole both nitrogens they are close to each other. Protonated pyrazole and protonated imidazole over here. So in pyrazole they do show that there is no inductive effect. Okay, what is the acid, what it makes difference in acid base property? Just like imidazole, pyrazole is an amphoteric substance. Okay, it acts as a both nucleophilic as well as basic. In addition, we have to say that pyrazole is slightly more acidic. Pyrazole is slightly more acidic, but above all, much less basic. Why? How can we explain the lower alkalinity of pyrazole compared to the imidazole? For sure, this means that resulting cation in pyrazole is not as stabilized as in imidazole. Okay, so in pyrazolium cation, these positive charge is not stabilized like in imidazole. The pyrrole-like nitrogen behaves like pyrrole-like nitrogen. This one in pyrrole-like nitrogen behaves like a strong electron withdrawing group. Okay, electron withdrawing groups are good in stabilizing negative charge, not the contrary. Electron withdrawing group drain electron density. So we can also consider the situation from the opposite perspective. In imidazole, the cation is stabilized for inductive effect. Okay, cation is stabilized for inductive effect and also less influenced by the electron withdrawing behavior of the nitrogen. So pyrrole like nitrogen, so this nitrogen pyrrole like which has NH, it behaves as a strong electron withdrawing group. Okay, it behaves as a strong electron withdrawing group. So this is the same thing orientation of imidazole and air. So in this way we have finished our topic on pyrazole as well as imidazole. Next one we will start benzimidazole.